Chest fat workouts for men at home. Are you tired of dealing with chest fat? Do you wish for a toned and muscular chest? What if there was a simple, no-equipment workout routine that could help you burn chest fat effectively at home? Secondly, do you feel like your dream physique is just a dream because of stubborn chest fat? No, you can turn that dream into reality with some effective exercises. Here are some effective workouts that you can do at home to reduce chest fat. Let's start. Chest pullback. This exercise targets the chest and back muscles. It involves moving your arm from front to back side while keeping yourself forward bent. Single wall chest press. This is a variation of the traditional push-up where you use one arm to push your body away from a wall. It targets the chest, triceps, and shoulders. Single arm wall push-ups. This exercise involves pushing against a wall with one hand from a standing position. It targets the chest and arm muscles. Top plus back claps. This exercise involves clapping your hands at the top and then again behind your back at the bottom. It targets the chest, shoulders, and arm muscles. Top corner punch. This exercise involves punching towards the top corner of a room or a boxing bag. It helps to improve punching power and targets the chest, shoulders, and arm muscles. Wide grip to forearm push-ups. This is a variation of the wall push-up where you place your hands wider than shoulder width apart and at the up put your forearm in front of you. It targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Wide push-up slow. This is a slow version of the wide push-up which targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps muscles. The slower movement increases the time under tension for the muscles, leading to greater strength and muscle growth. Kneeling archer push-ups. This exercise involves performing a push-up while extending one arm out to the side, mimicking the stance of an archer. It targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Incline reverse grip push-ups. This exercise involves performing a push-up on an inclined surface with your hands in a reverse grip position. It targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Elbow touches plus lift. This exercise involves touching your bent elbows and then rotating the elbow to take your shoulder to the up.